Hello, this is Laura, and I'm just gonna tell you how to solve a linear equation given a story problem. So the question is, a music store is selling compact discs for $11.50 and $7.50. You buy 12 discs and spend a total of $106. Write down a linear equation system to find out how many compact discs that cost $11.50 you buy. Okay, so first, in order to make a linear equation system, we have to figure out what our two equations are. So it says that we're gonna buy 12 discs. So some of them cost $7.50 and some cost $11.50. So we're gonna name them X and Y because they're two different costs. And that is gonna be equal to 12. Then we make up an equation for the actual amount that we're going to spend. So we say that $11.50 times X number of CDs that we buy plus $7.50 times Y a number of CDs that we buy is equal to $106. So here is our linear equation. So now what's the next step? The next step is to take out one of the equations and solve for a variable. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our X plus Y equals 12. And what we're going to do is we're going to solve for the variable that would make the most sense. And so we're going to solve for Y. Now the reason that we're solving for Y is because we want to know how many CDs were sold for the 11.5 cost. And so if we solve for Y, our expression will be in terms of X. And so in order to solve for Y, we would say that we're going to subtract X here, and we're going to subtract X here. And so our new equation will be Y is equal to 12 minus X. Okay? So now what we want to do is we want to take this equation here, and we're going to stick in our 12 minus X into our Y term up here. So this will look like 12.5X plus 7.5 times our new Y value, which is 12 minus X. And that will be equal to 106. So now what we want to do is we want to simplify this. And so we're going to distribute our 7.5 times 12 and our 7.5 times X. It's actually times a negative X. So I'm just going to put a negative sign in front of our 7.5. We're going to say that is equal to 106. Now, what is 12 times 7.5? 12 times 7.5 is 90. So now we want to combine our like terms. So our like terms will be 11.5x and negative 7.5x. So that will be 4x plus 90 equals 106. And then we're going to subtract 90 on both sides so that all of our numbers are on one side and our variables on the other. And so then 4x is equal to 16, because 106 minus 90 is 16. And then the last step is to divide by 4 on both sides, because we want to get our X all by itself. So if we divide by 4 on both sides, we will have 16 divided by 4, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So let's double check our answer, because we want to make sure that we have the right answer, right? And so if 4 is the value of x, then 4 plus y will give us our 12. That means that y is equal to 8, because 4 plus 8 is 12, which means that our equation here would be 11.5 times 4 plus 7.5 times 8 equals 106. Now let's just double check to make sure that that equation is correct. So what is 11.5 times 4? Well, 11.5 times 4 is, let me just calculate that, is 46. And 7.5 times 8 is 60. And when we add those together, we get 106. And so therefore, our answer to this problem is that x is equal to 4 because we bought 4 CDs that cost $11.5. Thank you for listening. If you have any other questions, just contact me. My name is Laura Carroll. Thanks.